In addition to Merit's legacy of products of pipe, valves, fittings, and flanges, Merit also carries an offering of next-generation press fittings in copper, carbon, and stainless steel known as MeritPress. MeritPress's stainless steel press fittings and valves are an innovative solution for stainless steel pipe installations. Stainless press fittings are the most comprehensive offering for your stainless steel press applications with over 500 SKUs. Stainless press fittings are certified to ICC ES/LC 1002 press connection fittings for potable water, tube, and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1117 press connections, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components lead content, FM 1920 pipe coupling and fittings for above-ground fire protection systems, American Bureau of Shipping Product Design Assessment PDA Certificate 1-5-PR1438892-PDA piping system and couplings. Stainless press ball valve certifications include the following: ICC ES/LC 1002 press connection fittings for potable water, tube, and radiant heating systems, IAPMO ANSI CAN Z1157 ball valves, NSF ANSI CAN 61 drinking water system components health effects, NSF ANSI CAN 372 drinking water system components lead content. Stainless press fittings and valves also meet the following codes and standards: ASME B31.1 power piping, B31.3 process piping, B31.9 building services piping, IPC, IMC, IRC, UPC, and UMC, CPC and CMC California Plumbing and Mechanical Codes, City of Los Angeles Plumbing and Mechanical Codes, Massachusetts Regulation 248 CMR 10, Uniform State Plumbing Code, Massachusetts State Building Code 780 CMR 9th Edition, Chapter 28, National Standard Plumbing Code NSPC, National Plumbing Code of Canada NPCC. These certifications, codes, and standards enable you to streamline your ability to specify and install MeritPress's stainless press fittings and valves offering. For more information about our next generation of press fittings and valves known as MeritPress, available in copper, carbon, and stainless steel, please visit our website at www.meritpress.com or contact our team today at 800-726-9800.